My old lovers fall into my covers, where they sink one by one.
Hey everyone, my name is Annelle and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I recreated this photo of Tara milk tea with just an app and without any actual flowers. So if you want to learn how I did it, then just keep on watching. First of all, who is Tara milk tea? So Tara milk tea joke. Tara milk tea is someone that I follow at Instagram. I'll show you her feed right here. Tara posts mainly travel photos in such a dreamy, aesthetic way. If you haven't seen her feed, go check it out. And recently, since lockdown, she's been posting a lot of flower pictures. And the moment that I saw this photo of her with the flowers at the back of her head, I immediately wanted to recreate it. But I don't have access to that kind of flowers. So I found a way to just do it with an app. Yeah, so first, before I show you the actual way to do it, I think I need to give you sort of an intro, teach you a few main things that we will be using on the app. So I'll put my screen right here somewhere. Okay, we will be using this app called Over. So Over is an app that I discovered during quarantine. So once you open the app, you click the plus sign and then, so let's open up an image that you will use for the flower picture. First thing I want you to click is the icon with the title graphic. So once you click it, we will be using this flower sketchbook story social kit. These are all the flowers that we will be using for this tutorial. So let's click one flower, for example, this one. A tool that we will be using a lot is this mask tool. So there are 4 tools here. 2 of them are for erasing, 2 of them are for bringing back what you erased. So I usually use this one. This is to erase parts of the graphic that you don't want in the photo. So this one also makes the picture more seamless. It removes any unnecessary elements of the photo. And we will be using this a lot in removing stuff and for giving that illusion of the flowers being at the back of the head. So what I want to teach you is about layers. So mainly this is the arrangement of your elements in the photo. So first we have the background, followed by your image, and then you can rearrange the graphics depending on how you want it to be seen. If you want one graphic more forward than the other or behind the other, this is how you can rearrange it. And what I like about layers is that once you're very sure about one graphic and where it's placed and the positioning and the deleting and the masking of it, you can lock it so that you can't accidentally press it. And basically, we will be doing a lot of rearranging of flowers and masking to remove unnecessary elements. What else do I need to teach you? This is, yeah, so graphics, masking tool, and the layers. So yeah, okay. So in the next video, I will be showing you like a time lapse of how I added the flowers, how we removed the unwanted parts of the graphics. So yeah, I hope you enjoy and I hope you learned something today. Okay.
My old lovers fall into my covers, where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Well, my ex got baggage like a bellhop. Yeah, I love a cry for help, but I'm tired of lying with liars. You're the truth, I'm scared to tell. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to feel awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. You're showing me something that's deeper. We're so close, but still we get nearer. You're showing me something that's deeper. We're so close, but still we get nearer. 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, I just wanna know now, too numb. Crying getting old, hope you free your soul, I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Fuck. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah.
This is pretty much a very easy tutorial, so it's up to you if you want to follow Tara Milk Tea's photo or not, but it's just my inspiration. Of course, I couldn't follow it every actual flower because the graphics don't have it like that, so this is just like a peg. There, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new. If you have any more questions, please leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more content like this, like recreating stuff with an app, then let me know. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Annel, pa-shot naman! Annel, pa-shot naman!
This is for my friend Biel Velakis na humihingi ng shout lang yung hinihingi niya sa akin. Shout. Yes! Velasquez!